Last but not least, we have Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill.
Let's see here. Tsuyoshi Mukoda, 27 years old. His unique skill is online grocery. What the heck?
Is there even internet here?
Our MC doesn't fight with swords or magic. His real power is making instantly delicious food.
This skill is amazing!
With his giant tool body Phil and his cooking skills, every episode feels like anime comfort food.
Please enjoy.
And the cozy tasty adventure are coming back with season 2.